8:35. And we're out of the house. Grabe yung tsura ko. Mamamalengke kami. So, let's go.
Thank you for buying my food.
Welcome, baby! Okay, andito kami sa may walking. Nagwo-walking kami. Ang tsura ko. Which one? This one?
Is that small?
It's a little high. You can sit on me. Yes, boo.
Did you get what I ordered?
Wait, I need to get the QR code anyway.
Bye.
Okay, dinner time. Ang cute nito, may lagayan sila ng ano, ng drink. Kaso nasa may harapan mo, mahirap kumain. Yummy? Gutom na. Uwi na kami. Hindi ako masyadong nakakain kanina. Na itinapaw na lang namin. Sama na naman ng pakiramdam ko. Hindi ko alam bakit inaano na naman ako ng nag-start yung sa may kamay ko. Parang may pin and needles, tapos parang may basta may discomfort. Tapos ngayon sa dibdib ko na siya. Ilang araw na to. Pero parang naging frequent yung paramdam niya kahapon. So, struggle na naman. I don't know what is this. Sana mawala na siya agad. Breakfast time! Kain tayo. Champurado.
Can I have it?
And then coffee. Lately, gustong wait lang. Gustong nagtitimpla ni Ezra ng kape. Kaya dinala ko na dito. Yes. Wait. And then we have the banana bread na binili ni Dwayne. Ay, dala ni Dwayne kahapon. I'm not sure kung binili niya o bigay.
So yummy.
So yummy. You wanna try?
What is that on the top?
It's all powder.
How can I?
Wait lang. Let me open first. Say hello.
Hello. And today I'm gonna put. And
Okay, slowly. Then next. What's next? After you pour,
after the pot,
what's next?
stuff. Is this for coffee?
Yeah, that's the one for coffee.
Can I mix it?
Sure, gentle. Oh, thank you for making mommy's coffee.
There you go.
There you go.
Thank you for baking. For baking.
Say hello! Ayan, tinakbuhan ako. Nandito kami sa may waterway point. Ayan. Gusto lang bumili ni Dwayne ng roasted kamote sa Dondondonghi. Sumama na lang kami kasi ang tagal nang hindi nakakalabas ni Ezra. Zion, Ezra, let go. No, please. No. Ezra, no. And then nagpabili din ako kay Dwayne ng badminton kasi pag nag-walking kami nila mama, may mga nakikita akong mga bata naglalaro ng ganyan. Nainggit ako. So I wanna play too kahit na hindi ako marunong. Let's go down. Okay, hold daddy hand. Hoy, you're gonna whack people like that.
Mom, what do I do?
You need to hit the ball. I mean the Okay, go. Catch it. Okay, andito na kami sa bahay.
Bobby.
Not actually sa bahay. Dito malapit sa school ni Zion. We decided to wait for him. Actually, ano na pa, mga 30 minutes pa, pero okay lang yan.
Swipe, 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 swipe.
Pupunta rin dito si Dwayne. Aantayin lang namin siya kasi dinala niya muna sa bahay yung mga pinamili namin. And then, bababa din siya. Si Mama, dumiretso sa, where is the place? Grocery. Bibili siya ng tomato sauce.
Hi guys, and today I'm gonna read my itsy bitsy spot. Hello guys, and today I'm gonna sing you my itsy bitsy spotted tablet. And this piece of buckets on the only 16 on the go minutes. And it lay on the ground and then it become a bug. But some bugs disappear and they become bones. And paying toddlers do them in 13 minutes. When I get there, some bugs got some 2 bones on the side.
Okay.
And 1 bone has nothing on it.
Okay, say bye.
And I'm gonna sing with this book.
Oh.
And say, how? Oh, ha, ha. Hello. Hello there, I'm a spider. Oh, ha, ha, ha.
Thank you for watching our vlog. Bye!
Bye.